Hi everybody, it's Coach Ran Biderman. I wanted to bring to you some good news. So, as you know, we always do the listing presentation bootcamp. And since we filled out very quickly, I decided to create something different. And it took me a while to figure out how to do this thing correctly, but I got it down and I want to bring it to you right now. So I'm going to give you a short presentation on what the listing presentation mastery course is all about. So first of all, the listing presentation mastery course is going to be done throughout 6 weeks, one time a week. Okay, so we're going to meet once a week for 2 hours. And then we're going to give you some homework assignments. And really, the mastery is all about the homework assignments. Okay, so the listing presentation mastery course is going to be complimentary. You don't need to pay. You don't need to be at a certain level. You can literally, if you're a brand new licensee or you're a veteran, if you're getting 5 listings a month and you want to go to 15 listings a month, or if you're getting 0 listings and you want to start getting listings, this listing presentation mastery course is for you. January 25th is the first session, which is mandatory for everybody to attend. Look, everything is mandatory. You should be there every single week because you want to improve your listing presentation and you want to master your listing presentation if you want to get more listings. So you want to be there every Tuesday. It's only 2 hours. We're starting at 9 a.m. until 11. Okay, you're going to get homework assignments to do every single day throughout the 6 weeks. At the end of the 6 weeks, which will be, the last session will be in March 1st. On that day, we're going to do a test. Everybody's going to test a listing presentation. So the last session will be 4 hours. We're going to start at 9 a.m. and finish at 1 p.m. Okay, so we're talking about 6 weeks commitment every Tuesday between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. The entire program is complimentary. There is no cost, but we do want everybody to attend every single session because I will connect you with some group members and your group members' success will depend on your attendance. So you need to make a commitment right now. Can you really commit yourself every week on Tuesday between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. to be in these sessions? Okay, let's talk about why you should do this course. Okay, the first why you should do this course is obviously you want to get more listings. If you want to get more listings, you need to master your listing presentation. The listing presentation mastery is designed for any level. What does that mean? If you're a brand new licensee, it's mandatory for you to do it because if you don't know how to do listing presentation, how are you going to get listings? So that's number one. Number two, agents who struggle and agents that the majority of their business is working with buyers. Okay, if you're one of these agents, you definitely want to do listing presentation because you need to get more listings. And then again, veteran agents, successful agents, top producers that are taking, say, 5 listings a month, if you want to go to 10, 15, 20, what you should be working on as well as lead generation and lead conversion is obviously your presentation. The delivery of your listing presentation will determine how many more listings you're going to get. And the better you get at doing the listing presentation, the more confident you get. The more confident you get, the more phone calls you make. The more phone calls you make, the more appointments you're going to set. And obviously, the more listings you're going to be getting. And we both know that if you're going to get a lot more listings, you're going to make a lot more money. Another reason to be a listing agent and focus on getting listings and mastering your listing presentation is obviously because those with the listings have all the control. If you have the listing, and you got like 10 different agents bringing their buyers to put offers on your listing, who's in control, okay? Another reason is predictability. If you want to predict how much money you're going to be making this year, if you want to be able to predict your income, you want to focus on getting listings. The next good reason to talk about why should you master your listing presentation, because you want to get higher commission splits. You don't have to split halfway with the buyer agent. You know that. You can give the buyer agent 2% and keep 3%. When you master your listing presentation, you're going to get higher commission splits because you'll have the tools and the skills to negotiate to get a higher commission split. I see a lot of agents taking listings for 4%. Some people take it for 3%. Me and you both know that. But I can tell you, during my career, I never took a listing less than 5%. Some listings I would get at 7, some at 6, some at 5, but my average was 6%, which means I'm going to get a higher commission split and I have more control on my business. When I'm a buyer agent and I'm going and representing an offer on your listing and you're only offering 2%, that's all I'm making. I'm making 2%. There's no negotiations. I cannot come in and start negotiating my commission with you because it's not really what we do. But when I am the listing agent, I can choose how much commission I'm going to keep and how much commission I'm going to share with the other agents. So when you master your listing presentation and you get a lot more listings, obviously, you will have more control on your income. Another reason is market power. Those with the listings have all the power because when you get more listings, you get more listings. The more listings you get, the more listings you get. If you do what we teach, every single time you get a listing, that's going to get you at least another 1 or 2 listings. Another point to look at is this. When you are the listing agent, all the other agents in town are working for you. What do I mean by that? Well, they need to go out there with their buyers to show your listing. You're not doing anything, you just put your listing on MLS. After you took the listing, there is not much to be done. If you're a master of a listing presentation, you can then take sellable listings, meaning every single time you take a listing, you take it at the right price. You put it on the market, and within a very short period of time, you have a couple of different offers to negotiate. So when you're the listing agent, everyone else in town is working for you. Anyone who wishes to get more listings should do this course. If you're interested in getting more listings, if you're interested in getting listings because you don't have any, if you're interested in having more confidence, having better skills, knowing how to negotiate, knowing how to handle objections, and be able to do a presentation within 20 to 30 minutes and each and every time take the listing, mastering your listing presentation is the first thing you should focus on. Because when you know how to do your listing presentation very well, what's going to happen next is you would want to put yourself in front of sellers. You would feel so confident in your own ability to get a listing that you would do a lot more activities that will put you in front of sellers, which means you're going to be getting a lot more listings and you're going to be booking a lot more listing appointments because you master the listing presentation. Okay, so how do you register for this particular listing presentation mastery class? Let's talk about that right now. Before you get registered, please make sure that you are completely and fully committed. We would like to make sure that every single participant is planning on attending every session because we're progressing. Every week, we're going to teach you other things and give you some homework assignments, and then you're going to connect with other people in the group, and they will need you in order to complete their homework. So it's important that you're planning on attending these 6 weeks. Remember, it's only 2 hours a week, and the homework assignments, which will probably take you 30 minutes to an hour every single day. All right, so all you got to do next is just scroll down on this page, okay? And then the registration form needs to be filled out. You have to register yourself before January 24th. That's the last day when we're closing registration, so please make sure you do that. If you have any questions regarding the course, and you're not sure about it, just click up here on the page to contact us and send us a message. We will contact you as soon as we can. Another thing that we recommend people to do is you can invite another friend from your office, which makes everything more fun. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.